Every organization runs on knowledge, policies, manuals, internal guidelines, but most of it lives in documents that are hard to access and even harder to use. Information is there, but it does not reach people in a way that sticks. That is where the AI Course Generator comes in. Start with what you already have. Upload your document. The system automatically structures your content into clear courses, short lessons, interactive microlearning. Extend your course with video. Add AI-generated video when needed. In the right language, for every audience. You stay in control. Edit, adjust, and refine where needed. Make it accessible on any device, from office to frontline. Use it for policies, procedures, onboarding materials, or internal knowledge sharing. All in one tool. Built in Europe. Designed with security and privacy at its core. Delivered as a clear, structured experience, so you can assign, share, and track learning in one place. The AI Course Generator turns static documents into living knowledge. Simple to create, easy to use, ready to scale.